To start replacing this outer tail light, go ahead and open up the tailgate, and you'll notice that on the inside you have two 10mm bolts. So go ahead and remove both of these. Then what you want to do is get a plastic trim tool, and you want to pop the lens out this way. You could try to do it by hand if you want to. It's just easier with a plastic trim tool. And then the whole assembly pulls out. What you want to do next is unplug all of your bulbs. And if you need to replace any of them, now's the perfect time. Take your new taillight assembly and plug in the bulbs. Line it up. You have these two tabs here that need to line up with these two plastic pieces that'll secure it all in. So slide it in and make sure it's pressed in there. Insert your two 10mm bolts and snug them up. Close the tailgate, test the tail light, and if it works, you're done.